Good afternoon, students. Short revision. Now, in last video, we had studied the all water stores, first and second type of water stores, okay, which were used in the olden days. Okay, wells we have seen, okay, which had broad mouth and the wells were not very deep. Okay, sometimes machines are also used to get the water out from these wells. Okay, second one, water tanks in forts. People used to make a small lake like or a tank like thing in the stone only, in the fort only, okay, to store water. Okay, this tank is from the Fort Shivneri. It is written down, you can see. Okay, this we had learned in the last video. Okay, now let's continue with the third one. Third one is draw wells on art, which is called. Okay, in the past, draw wells were done to get drinking water. Okay, now what are draw wells? They are small wells. Okay, they were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot. That pot is called as pohra, which is tied to a rope. Now, can you see a small pot is attached with the rope? This pot is called as pohra. What is the spelling of pohra? Pohra, pohra. Okay, and what is draw well? Draw well is a small well, okay, which were done, okay, for you, and the water from this draw well were used for drinking. Understood? This is the third one. Now here we will talk about a small village in the Sangli district. The name of the village is Atpadi. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every vada. Now what is vada? I'll tell you. The draw wells had water all year around. Okay, the draw wells in the Atpadi village in Sangli district had water all the year around. Okay, and the draw wells were there in each and every vada. Now first see where is the Sangli district. You can see India's map. You can see Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, this circle is done blue color highlighted. It is written here Sangli. Okay, and in the last map, yellow color dot can you see? That is Atpadi village in the Sangli district. Okay, now we are talking about this village here. Okay, in this village there is a draw well in every vada. Now see this. This is a picture of a house. Now every house in the Atpadi district is called as a vada. Okay, so they had a draw well in every vada. Okay, which had water the whole year around. Whole year around means throughout the year, full year. Okay, when the tap water system was introduced. Now when the tap water system, tap, you know what do you mean by tap? Can you see in the picture? Okay, this is called as a tap. Nowadays what we have in our house, from where do we get water in the house? Through these taps. Okay, so when this tap water system came into existence, and when it was introduced, okay, when it came newly, okay, the draw wells went out of use. After this system came, people stopped using the draw wells. Okay, many were sealed also. Sealed means closed. Okay, now there are very few left in Atpadi. These can be seen in many villages. Okay, now what had happened after the tap water system came? People stopped going to the wells and draw wells. Okay, they started getting water from the tap in the house only. Then why will they go out? Yes, so this was the reason the draw wells went out of the use. Nobody used to use them. Went out of use means nobody used them. They stopped using it, and many were sealed also. Sealed means closed. Okay, this can be seen not only in the Atpadi village but many other villages. This thing happened after the tap system came into existence. Okay, now this was the third one. Now the fourth one, rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across rivers to store their water. Okay, now in the picture, can you see this wall is created? one side the river is there, and on the other side of the river water is there, and in between a wall is created to stop some water. Okay, can you see? So some walls are made with earthen material, means with a baked clay. Okay, and some is made with the masonry, means made of stone. Masonry means made of stone. Okay, bunds means, what do you mean by bunds? Bunds means small dams or barrier, a wall. Bunds means a wall is created, a barrier is created. Bunds actually means wall only. A wall is created with a earthen material, means a baked clay, or masonry means stone, across the river to store their water, means in between the river to stop the water. So fourth point is called as rivers and bund, because a wall is created, a bund is created to stop the water of the river and to store it for future use. Understood? Fourth one. Okay. Fifth one, old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built. Reservoir means a large lake. Okay. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major, or in areas, sorry, this R is written, it is area, AREAS, areas without a major river. There is a spelling mistake, just correct it, students. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major rainfall, means areas where there were no very less rainfall. Okay, there were, in that places these reservoirs were made. Can you see the four side this wall is made? Okay, to collect the rainwater. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. What is mortar? Mortar is a mixture of cement, sand, water to hold the stones. Means these all things are mixed, cement, sand and water, and some stones also, and this wall is made. Okay, to stop the water, collect the water. Okay, so big tanks like things is made. So this is called as a reservoir. Okay, so this is one of the old reservoir picture you can see in the background. Okay, now old tanks. Sixth one, old tanks or hod. Earlier tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. Okay, tanks also same like the old reservoir. Tanks are also built. Okay, it is like large containers which are used to store water. Understood? Some of them are still in use. They are called as hod also. Now what we have learnt in this video? We have learned traditional methods of water storage. What do you mean by the word traditional? TRADITIONAL. What do you mean by traditional? Traditional means old method which were followed in the olden days. Okay. Thank you so much, students. This much only for today. Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.